There are a lot of challenges in using lectures from real professors. For one thing, spoken speech just zooms by, and one of the aspects of realistic academic lectures is that they don't stop and repeat everything. They don't go over points over and over and over again. You have to follow, you have to be attentive, you have to be taking good notes. But that's a surmountable problem, because when you teach the students the skills that they need to follow that rapid stream of speech, they're very often amazed that they can sit for 18 or 20 minutes and have nobody holding their hand, and they can grasp the entire chunk of meaning there.